We're
me when
rolling
you're ready.
now.
Okay.
And what we're going to do here?
Okay, I'm going to fix Kian's face because it's all out of whack. He woke up that way.
Look at the face. Look at the face on that
See,
kid.
it's all crooked. So we're
Yeah,
gonna take,
so we're going to fix it.
I think first we'll take the eyebrows and move over to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, that throws his ears all out of whack. So
Yeah, so you got to fix the ears too.
Yeah. Okay. Well, oh gosh, look at the hair.
Yeah.
The
Look at the hair.
is all out of whack.
Yeah.
Here,
Fix
we gotta
that
fix
hair.
that.
Okay. That's good. Now look what you've done to the cheeks.
Oh, you're right. Look at the cheeks. We got to match them. Oh, wait a minute. I think I like them like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
That's
the
a good look
nose.
with the mouth. Yeah.
The nose has to go over this way.
Yeah,
Can you turn
over
your
there.
head right? Like
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
the teeth. We got to make the teeth show some more.
Yeah, get those gums. Yeah, get the gums showing.
Yeah, all
that's
those,
it.
yeah. And that's, wait a minute, I got to smash those cheeks flat again.
Yeah. It's like working with Play-Doh.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Play-Doh.
Okay, so now I'll turn this a little bit to the side.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that's perfect.
I think he looks awesome.
Yep.